You could lie, but lying only buys you so much time. You could hurt, but hurting's never gonna make it fine. You could shake, try and shake it off all you can. You might fake, it's never gonna make you understand. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye, only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start, it's true. This is real, as much as anything you'll ever feel. Not that safe, without those pretty secrets you conceal. Could be hell, you're shutting someone up that knows you well. Tear you apart, pull you from the end back to the start. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye, only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start, it's true. And life will smile to you. I say life will smile to you. I once stood where you stand now with no end in sight.
So this is how the battery charges when I'm driving, but this right here is like the automatic brake system that is attached. It comes with the app and everything on the phone, and so you can adjust it while you're driving. It's super nice, but that's what this little piece is up here.
Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. It's true. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye.
Alrighty, my friends, we have officially started our little journey. We have like 180 something miles before we get to the grocery store. A little under 3 hours. So yeah, I'm excited because it looks like we're going to be taking little small kind of towny roads versus hardcore expressway. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys at the grocery store.
I've hung around this place too long. It's time for me to be moving on. Moving on. Yes, it is. Got no regrets. Ain't nothing gonna wrong. It's just me following the line that the stars have drawn. That's why I'm in the wind. That's where you'll find me. I'm in the wind, long, long gone. Let me tell you, a new day
Some groceries.
where nothing binds me. I'm letting go of all that's ever been.
All right, my beautiful friends, we have like 6 miles left this Aldi was a very good stop as far as like the distance between the campground. So 6 miles, and then we'll be at the campground, and then we have to get everything situated. So let's knock these 6 miles out.
Oh, yeah. It might seem bold, headless and careless, heading out in the cold.
All right, friends, I am not a expert backer inner. Last time I backed in, I had 2 people actually help me. This is the back end site, so let's do it, friends.
With no direction, but let me tell you, I heard a YouTube guru say something that rang true to me, that life puts all the best things on the other side of it. And that's why I'm in the wind. That's where you'll find me. I'm in the wind, long, long gone. A new day begins, where nothing binds me. I'm letting go of all that's ever been. I'm in the wind. Oh, I'm in the wind. That's where you'll find me. I'm in the wind, long, long gone. Let me tell you, I'm in the wind. Don't you know my baby, baby, baby? That's where you'll find me. Keep on looking, baby, keep on looking.
Y'all, I'm in here. I don't want to like move anymore. This is so stressful for me. I'm in the spot though, so we're gonna count this as a win. I got no help from nobody but the Lord. So yeah, we in there like swimwear, and that's Jada locking the door. Whatever, we're in here. I'm done. While Jada gets acquainted with the campsite, I have quite a bit of things that I need to do to get us comfortable. So I'm gonna unhitch and just do the whole 9 all over again. Basically what I did earlier, I had to do it all over again, but the opposite. So let's get to it. Jada, baby, you stay near, girl. You have to wait. water at this site. I hope I got enough water, because that would suck. Let's go ahead and hook up the electrical. Jada, you gonna have to wait, child. My other camera ran out, and I don't have my adapter for the cell phone. So basically, I'm about to do the power. Here's my adapter. Here's the power station, and there's the cords. So I'm about to do that, so Jada can get inside and be a happy camper. I think she wants BALL. Okie dokie, friends. We are in there. Let's see. Playing fetch with Jada right now. Oh, be careful, girl. Okie dokie, my friends. I am actually really hungry. All I had was my coffee and water today. So I bought a salad. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. Pull up the, turn on my, the ball literally bounced right back. It came to me. I'm gonna plug up the heater, because it's like 40 degrees right now. You can see my little red nose. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the space warm, probably continue to play ball with Jada for a bit to tire her out, and eat a salad. But I'm kind of a little tired. The drive was really nice and chill, and I can't complain about that. But again, I'm hungry, my friends, so I'm gonna catch y'all inside of Tamara, possibly when I'm eating my salad. I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. Yeah, so my starling, I put it outside and stuff like that, and it is very shaded here. Even though all the tree leaves have fallen off, it is still very shaded. So I don't know if I'm gonna have access to internet, which makes me sad, because I got all my sisters like login information to like HBO Max and, you know, everything, just Netflix, Hulu, everything. So I'm kind of sad about that, but we shall see. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my salad and play kickball with Jada, and I think this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany, and I will catch y'all here tomorrow morning at this cute, no, it's not really that cute, but we'll see, tomorrow campground. Bye bye bye.